Things that you give to people, it's time for small presents. You know, stocking stuffers.
Stuffers!
One of my favorite parts of the holiday season.
I gotta get one thing out of the way first.
Okay.
Barring an elephant stocking.
That is not a stocking stuffer.
No, this Dell Studio 17, which is ridiculously fast, Core i7 processor, running at 1.6 gigahertz and 4 gigabytes of RAM, ATI Mobility Radeon HD 4650, is slower than my Core i7 desktop, but faster than any other notebook I've used, bar one that Roger's going to weep over later in the show. It didn't arrive in time. There was a delivery problem and didn't arrive for our notebook extravaganza, so I just wanted to show it up and say there are some unbelievably fast notebooks out now.
Nice. I need a new gaming PC.
Well, we'll talk about that later.
We'll make that a show at some point.
Show. Toys! Geek toys. These are not toddler toys. Roger's got the Crudan and October toys. He loves the zombies, which I believe stands for zillions of mutated bodies infecting everyone. A little something to sprinkle around people's cubes to freak them out when they show up on Monday morning.
Yeah, we've been playing an awful lot of Left 4 Dead 2 together, so I can imagine he's got zombies on the brain these days.
My buddy's at Tad Gear, RocketWorld.org, the Titus Plush, which is just definitely going into the child's crib just to scare the neighbors. And the IWG, these are the movie series icon. This is Titus, the spy, and they're basically San Francisco movie images that have been translated into the Rocket World animals. And RocketWorld.org, they basically donate profits to charities that support animals that are on the verge of extinction. And the whole kind of theme there is that they arm their animals. FakeGeeky.com is an epic source of geek toys, USB rocket launchers, marshmallow guns, the best ant farm ever, but they all pale next to ThinkGeek's ultimate offering, the Tauntaun sleeping bag.
Which didn't exist for real, and now does exist for real. Because they put it up as a joke, and so many people wanted to order it and tried to order it that they were like, oh, we should make this thing. Because people want to buy it from us.
The best part is the Tauntaun guts fabric on the inside.
Oh. It's so awesome.